This is a review of the MOTOPOWER automatic battery charger maintainer. It comes pretty much, it's a battery tender to charge up your car battery. And we're going to be doing an unboxing, and we're going to be showing you guys what you get from this package, and we're going to see if whether or not if this battery tender is worth it. So without going any further, let's get down to this video. So right from where we open this package, we get pretty much the battery tender itself. You see we get negative and we get positive. We get the battery tender itself too. And I do want to say, when you take it out from the package, the quality of this is really amazing as well too. It feels very decent and it has a good weight to it. And I'm going to be taking all this out, and we're going to probably be testing this onto a car battery in the garage. And we're going to be showing you guys if whether or not this battery tender is worth it. So here we are in the garage, and I put this into the outlet, and pretty much it's flashing red, which means that I haven't plugged into the car battery tender, pretty much the car battery, and we're gonna go do that, and we're gonna see how well this thing works. Okay, so I do have it plugged onto my car battery, and you can see that it needs charging. So I put the negative goes with negative, positive goes with positive, and it's very simple as that. You could never mess up. Negative with negative, positive with positive. And I would highly recommend this product because of how it's very easy to use and it's very simple. And one of the best things about it is that it is pretty much a plug and play, and it's also a small compact size. So it's very small and lightweight as compared to my previous battery tender, which is very bulky and big, and it has a good weight to it, and it's just too pretty much, you know, a bit heavy, which I don't mind, but I do love the fact that this one is very small and simple and portable and nice and easy. Whenever you're done, you can just put it back inside. But yeah, I would highly recommend this from MOTOPOWER, this battery tender, because of how it is very versatile and very easy to use, and it charges up your car battery very fast and easy as well too. Right now it's still on red solid, but it's gonna take probably like an hour or two to charge up to green. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this battery tender if you're looking for a replacement set or a new one. Then the MOTOPOWER battery tender is probably one of the best battery tenders that you could get.